Hello friends, welcome back to my online lecture series on entrepreneurship. In my previous video on understanding of ecosystem and MSMEs, we had seen central level institutions, state level institutions and other institutions supporting business enterprise. If you have not downloaded previous video, please download it before watching this video. Now we will learn about the role of state level institute, central level institute and other institutes. Now here role means what kind of support this institute provides to an entrepreneur or to an enterprise. These institute provides training, marketing assistance, promotional schemes, concession on excise duty, credit facilities to MSMEs, policy implementation. See friends, these are the support provided by central, state and other institutes to entrepreneur or to enterprise. First is training. These institutions provide both technical and non-technical trainings. Modalities of training changes according to the product and services. However, the ideology remains same, that is, improving of entrepreneurial skills. Trainings are offered as per requirement of entrepreneur by government institutions, non-governmental institutions and by NGOs. They carry out EDPs, that is Entrepreneurship Development Programs, and MDPs, that is Management Development Programs. These programs are conducted by MSMEs, NIES, BUDs, NSIC, EDI, or other institutes, maybe by themselves or in collaboration with third party. See this certificate. This certificate is of a training provided by MSME Technology Development Center, Agra. The training was provided on GST. This training was provided during 2017 at Indore Center by MSME Technology Development Center, Agra. From this certificate, you can understand how MSME provides training on various topics. During that time, that is, during 2017, when government has implemented GST, entrepreneurs and enterprise facing a problem in understanding GST. Therefore, MSME has organized a training program on GST. Next support, what we get from these institutions is marketing assistance. The government and non-government expert institutions offer marketing support and assistance through various training programs. In general, MSME products are promoted during trade fairs. However, National Small Industries Corporation, that is NSIC, directly market MSME products to foreign market. For promoting Indian goods to abroad, the government has generated a marketing development fund which gives grant under export promotion schemes with 60% of funding under various categories to MSMEs. Next support, what an entrepreneur may get from these institutions is support through promotional schemes. Government has various schemes for providing incentives, subsidies and grants which are provided through various institutions, either government or non-government. See friends, here you need to understand that these institutions provides incentives, subsidies and grants to entrepreneur through various institutions. Now, just for an example, two schemes are quoted here. These schemes in originality may vary if you visit to the website of these institutions for more details and present schemes and more clarity about the schemes, you have to visit the central, state, and other institutions' website, and the detailed information can be gathered from their website. These are just examples quoted for an educational purpose. First example, here it is quoted is, for quality improvement, central government has been implementing incentive schemes for offering refund of payment up to 75% of cost for obtaining ISO 9000 certification. Another example is, for promoting MSMEs, government has a scheme of granting subsidies up to 30% of investment in MSMEs and other sectors. The next support what we get from these institutions is concession on excise duty. MSME units with an income expenditure of 1 crore or less per year has been excused from excise duty charges. In addition, for production of branded products through MSME in rural areas, excise duty is excused. Again, the facts and figures mentioned in this video may vary when you visit the original website of these institutions. The next in this category is credit facility to MSME. Credit offered by banks to micro, small, medium segment is bounded under priority sector. Small Industries Development Bank of India, that is SIDBI, is apex institution for financing MSMEs. Some other institutions like SIDBI, SFCs, and scheduled banks, SIDCs, NSIC also take care for funding under various schemes of the government. For detail which institution support what schemes, financial, marketing, or other support, we have to study these institutions and their website in detail. Then next, support what an entrepreneur get from these institutions is policy implementation. The one of the major role of central and state government institution is policy implementation. All the state governments provides technical and other support services to entrepreneurs through their directorates of industries and district industries center. The schemes may differ state to state, but the common area of support are expansion and administration of industrial estates, suspension and deferment of tax, priority in distribution of power and water connection, environment and pollution check and control, health and safety, increasing productivity, quality improvement, etc. See friends, these institutions helps government in implementing policies, and policies means policies in the areas of expansion of administration, industrial estates, tax, power and water connection, environment, health and safety, increasing productivity, and other type of quality improvement. Friends, till now we have seen the central, state, and other institutions supporting business enterprise, as well as their role in general. In next video, we will see the major central level, state level, and other institutions supporting business enterprise one by one. That is, we will study one by one the institutions in detail about their constitutions, about their role, and what support they provide to entrepreneurship. Stay with us, keep watching, subscribe to my channel. If not yet subscribed, please like, share, and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notification of my latest videos.